Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Well, not quite for this kitchen, actually, because Robin and I have meetings on separate places, and let's fend for yourself today. So, last night I prepared the cowboy stew, which will be my dinner tonight as well. Yum, yum, yum. It's super simple. But it's a great meal. It's a great family meal, and it makes great leftovers if you just have, like Robin and I, just two people. It's pretty dump and run, but you can play with the herbs and spices a little bit. I added a little bit of oregano. I added a little bit of basil to the meat process. Yeah. And it gives me a great opportunity to use the beautiful smoked paprika from the local spicery in Marysville, California. Like I said, tonight I'm not cooking. Tomorrow we are doing a taco bar. Yes, we're doing tacos on Wednesday. But I will be using my taco seasoning, and here is one of my cookbooks opened up to the taco seasoning blend. So, if you want to know the taco seasoning I use, get a book. My book has several herb and spice blends that I use in my own kitchen. So, you can find that on Amazon and or Barnes & Noble, and that is Recipes Are Just Guidelines. So on this Taco Tuesday, go to your favorite taqueria or make some homemade yummy tacos at home in your kitchen. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.